Guys, so I'm here at a secret location. Well, di naman secret, I know where this is. But I'm supposed to do a very special unboxing right now of a sneaker from a brand that I'm currently working in. They're a brand that actually got me to help promote their store for an upcoming event. So I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. The room is pretty nice. It looks some sort of like gallery with different art pieces. The office is pretty sick. They have a lot of toys, a lot of figurines, and I'll cut to that in a bit and show you some of the kick-ass toys that are on display in this office. I mean, wow. You wouldn't think that this office had so much collectible heat because from the outside it looks like a rundown building. But when you get in and enter the floor, man, it's literally like Narnia as you walk in. Everything is so modern, everything is so young, everything is so fun compared to the outside of the building, which I'll show you a shot as well in a bit. By the way, our sneakers of the day, Puma Thunder Spectra. Shout out again to our good friend Peter One for hooking up with this, and Proppy Socks PH. Pakaway ka naman. Boom! You're in the vlog. Hi!
Hi guys! Nakakatawa. Sorry, hindi pinapprepare namin yun.
Gusto mo touring kita around the office?
Yeah, I'll take some shots later.
Go to the fourth floor.
So guys, this is the box that we received. It's from PUMA Select. PUMA Select is a new store opening at Up Town Mall BGC on December 8th. I'll actually be there. So please do watch out for the vlog on that one when it drops. So we'll take a look at what's inside the box. It looks really, really nice. Very classy. No? Looks classy. And it has a cool ribbon of PUMA Select. So let's just open this and take a look at what's inside. So yeah. Uy, may pangalan ko, friends. So personalized. Okay. Oh, nice. So you have been selected. So I guess this is like the invite. So celebrate the first ever Puma Select store in the Philippines. And it comes with a really nice dust bag of Puma Select, as you guys can see there. And we, oh, wow. Boom. So it's the triple black Puma suede. Looks really nice. Very classy. Definitely something that you can wear every day to work and even on casual days out. I'm a huge fan of the suede. I actually did a review on several pairs of this one already in the, I think they call it like the peacock in blue. I forgot what specific colorway that was. I had both colorways. I copied it from another store. So yeah, thank you to Puma Select and Puma for hooking me up with this pair. Watch out for the vlog when we do the actual, not unboxing of the store, but actual opening of the store when we drop by on December 8th. Guys, I just found the nicest office chair that you will ever find ever. Boom. You know, I'm not a cap person that much, as you guys see, and I've seen in my vlogs. But man, the caps that they have here are so nice, as in they're really, really cool. So take a look at some of the stuff that I've seen here at the New Era HQ. Captain America, Iron Man, in some sort of like shiny thing going on. So on the right side, it's metallic because it is Iron Man. On the left side, it kind of looks like the armor of Captain America. You have a Deadpool cap over here, complete with this snarky eyes. Stormtrooper, R2-D2, C-3PO, Kylo Ren. You have the UAAP caps, Archers, a Mega Man cap. So guys, yan yung itsura ng building. Nandito na ako sa labas eh. So para lang you have an idea of what it looks outside, where it is, and what it looked like from the inside. are back in the condo after that really cool day we were able to spend like a few hours over at the headquarters of PUMA Philippines, New Era Philippines, as well as Giordano Philippines. It's actually one company. They have a fantastic headquarters, fantastic office, lots of really cool toys as you guys saw in the video that we did. Now, I will be at the opening of PUMA Select December 8th. So if you guys aren't doing anything and you want to meet up, you want to hang out, you want to check out all the latest sneakers that PUMA has to offer, check their store out during the grand opening, December 8th, PUMA Select at Up Town Mall BGC. As I mentioned earlier, I do have a bunch of PUMA sneakers. I have the Parallel, the one that was in collaboration with The Weeknd. I have this Thunder Electric in that kick-ass orange and black with that shiny thing near the laces. And of course, we have the PUMA Thunder Spectra, which is one of the best and most underrated sneakers for 2018. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you were able to enjoy the time you were able to check out the headquarters. And yeah, hope to see you guys on December 8th. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.